Hi guys, welcome to Breakittup channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install all Windows drivers on your computer. You can go to Computer Management to check the drivers. These drives are not installed properly. Your computer works better when the drivers are fully installed on your devices. To install the latest drivers for your devices, go to Settings, and then search Optional Update. A list of drivers you can install for your devices. I will recommend you select all and install them. I selected all, downloaded, and install them down. You just need to wait a few more minutes for Windows 10 to automatically download and install these drivers. After all drivers are installed, restart your PC. And here is the result: all drivers are installed successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. More videos. Thank you.